Hello, it's Christy from Mindful Evolutions. And if you're like me or how I used to be, plank work, push-ups, any upper body work actually was really, really tough. And it was just because I really needed those muscles and I didn't know where to start. So I have a great upper body plank work set for us today. All you need is either a countertop or your couch, something that's slightly elevated off the ground. So the tower that I'm using here today is about 18 inches off the ground, but you could do this on your kitchen countertop and that would be cool too. So find a spot that feels comfortable that you can work with. And at first, we're gonna decide where our feet are gonna be. So if I have my hands here, I'm gonna scooch in just a little bit. If I have my hands about shoulder distance apart and I try and bend my elbows a little bit here, and I'm just gonna try and keep my elbows in tight. So from this angle, I'm just bending and pressing. I'm gonna see if that feels doable. Can I do 10? And I'm gonna try and pull the crown of my head towards the wall in front of me. Little baby bend in those knees. Can I do 10 from here? And I can. So that's great. I'm gonna see if I can walk my feet back a little bit and tuck my tailbone and try this angle. So now I am lifting more of my body weight. And it's a little spicier, which is good. That is very doable. So now I'm gonna see if I can take my feet back a little bit and my hands forward a little bit and see if I can shift my shoulders over my wrists. Okay, that is really spicy. So I'm gonna try for 3 sets of 10 in this spot. If you are trying that too, and you decide that it's too much and you need to scooch back a little bit, that's totally okay. Work with where you are and you're gonna get stronger and you're gonna come into it more and more and more as you get stronger. So let's try it. 3 sets of 10, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Sit back in space, big stretch. Big deep breath. All right, here we go again. 10. I could move my elbows as small or as big as I want to. I could make it a little baby move like this or a really big. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Sit it back, stretch. Cool, cool. We can do this. Here we go. So back out. Our last set. Tuck those elbows in tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Awesome. That is really spicy. My arms are on fire. So I'm just gonna swish those arms with me. Awesome, let's get a little stretch too. So take that right hand and pull left arm over. See if you can really push that shoulder down. Awesome, and then take this left hand behind your head with me. Right hand is gonna hold on too, and then we're just gonna pull this left elbow towards your right side. Let's do that other side. Here we go. Right arm crosses over. Push that right shoulder down. Feels so good. And then here we go. Right hand goes behind your head, left hand, and then we pull over to that left side.